Anyway guys, I'm back with another video today, and today is going to be another gaming video. And today's video is going to be another Forza Horizon 5 video, a ramp jump video. Proof that I will be playing Forza Horizon 5 and doing a ramp jump video. Anyway, my gaming videos season, for those that do not enjoy my gaming videos as much as my other videos. Luckily, we still only have not too many weeks left of winter, so hopefully you guys understand that and all. And obviously I make other kinds of content as well in the winter when I'm able to, but it seems like my winter videos are more when I make a lot of gaming videos compared to a lot of the rest, and hope you guys understand with the weather and all. Otherwise, I would love to be making outdoor content and the types of content that I think are my favorite. But this video should be a really fun one, and I've done a free roam in this car before, but I have never done a ramp jump in it. And I'll show you guys once I get to the car. I'm gonna be ramp jumping the Lexus LFA. Now I gotta get to the ramp. Anyway guys, time to ramp jump the LFA. And by the way, I just noticed that it looks like they might have updated it. The ramp jump location, secret location, nobody knows about it, just kidding. But anyway, if you guys are ready, I'm ready like always. Actually looks really cool. That's sick.
You have arrived at your destination.
Whoops. Still at an airport, obviously. Maybe it's so people can hit the ramp more perfect. Or more perfectly. Because that definitely makes it easier to get it dead center. Anyway, I would definitely say that result in that ramp jump was not as good as a result as the last ramp jump I did a few weeks ago, but it was still a pretty fun result, and all of them are still very fun results. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications as well to never miss lit everyday Andrew videos. And I promise, for all the non-gaming fans and non-video game fans, or the ones that are not the biggest fans of my video game content compared to the other types of content, and more types of content will be out soon. And still got a fun month of videos for you guys, and we are exactly halfway through the month, and it is Valentine's Day as well, so I wish everybody watching a happy Valentine's Day. And Everyday Andrew out. Peace.